Dear friends, today we are here to introduce SIRIO, the humidifier for incubators. SIRIO was designed, engineered and patented by Borotto. And today we are here to show you how it works. Once you have purchased SIRIO, this small box will arrive at your home. First, there is the instruction manual which explains step by step what you need to do to use SIRIO. Inside the box you will find SIRIO with the humidity sensor, the water suction tube that goes into a bottle of water, and the two valves that are inserted into the incubator vents. Once we have installed SIRIO, leave it switched off, turn on our machine and let it run for a couple of hours. After a couple of hours we can turn on SIRIO. Please, before opening the incubator, turn off SIRIO and do your egg candling. Then close your incubator and turn SIRIO back on only after a few hours. The sensor must be positioned exclusively in this position. Set the humidity to 45%. Now proceed with hatching. First disconnect SIRIO. And move the eggs. Remove the egg tray. Insert the hatching grid. And place the eggs. Once the eggs are in place, close the incubator. Lower the temperature to 37.2 and leave the machine running for about an hour. Then we turn SIRIO back on. And set the humidity to 60%. As you have seen, SIRIO is very easy to use. For more information, clarification, or if you would like to purchase it, click below in the description where you will find a link to our website. See you in the next video.